Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your numeracy class. In today's class, the topic that we are going to revise is comparisons, right? So we have done a almost a whole chapter about comparisons. What are degrees of adjectives? How we can compare things? What are three forms of different words, different adjectives, right? So in today's class, we will be revising that. We have done the practice of only the adjectives whose second and third form or second or third degrees we can made by adding er and est to them, right? So we practice this. Let's say there is this word which is big, right? So in order to make it bigger, we will be adding er to it, and in order to make it biggest, we will be adding est to it, right? Similarly, there is this word light. So in order to make its second form or the second degree, we will be adding er to it. And in order to make the third, we will be adding est to it. So we practiced it already. Today we will be quickly revising that, and then we will do some practice worksheet of it, okay? So I'm going to share the screen with you. Let's watch an interesting video related to the comparisons together, and then we will do some practice exercise as well, okay? So show me a thumbs up if my screen visible. Okay, good.
Today we will learn about comparisons and how can we make a comparison in a sentence. Always remember to use then as a comparison form and not that. That is a wrong sentence. For example, she got better marks than me. Then is the comparison.
So the word then is basically used when we are comparing two objects and we want to make a sentence or we want to talk about it. Let's say my book is bigger or heavier than yours, right? So the word that I'll be using to combine the two sentences or the two parts of a sentence, that would be then, not that, right? So you are supposed to remember this. This is a very important point that while we are making a comparison, when we are talking about two objects, so that can be any objects. So the word that we will be, or the conjunction that we will be using to combine those parts of sentence would be then, not that, okay?
Like he is taller than me. Then is a comparison. This is
Now, similarly, he is taller than me, not that me, okay?
how you form a sentence with a comparison between yourself or somebody else, or between one thing or another.
Okay, so that was how we make a comparison. Now I'm going to share the screen again with you, and we will look at the different worksheets of the comparisons. Okay, look at this first one. Degrees of comparisons, right? So like we have these words, and now all of these degrees that we will be discussing together, this would be, we will be making the second and third forms of all of them by using the same procedure or the same technique, that is by just adding er and est to it, right? So these are the most common words which are in front of you right now on your screen, which are the most common that we use in our daily life. Let's say the word tall. The tall, okay, while we were discussing this, I told you that when we talk about the height of something in the vertical manner, we use the word tall for that, right? And when we talk about the height of something or the length of something in the horizontal manner, we use the word long for it. Like you can call the long snake and you will be calling the tall zebra, right? Not the tall snake and long zebra. Remember? So that was a hint that we discussed. Okay. Now the first word is tall, and the three forms of tall are taller and tallest. Then we have high. Again, the same procedure. By adding er, it will turn into higher, and then by adding est, it will turn into highest. Then we have fat. So fatter and fattest, right? Again, then we have a new word that is low. In order to make two forms of low, you will be adding er and est into it, and that will turn into lower and lowest. Okay. Then look at this one, large. It's again the same, large. By adding er, we will make a larger, and by adding est, we will make the largest. The next degrees of adjectives are fast, then we have the faster, and finally we have the fastest. So this is how we make the degrees of adjectives. So look at these as well, which are on the top. The first is long. This is what I was telling you, that when we talk about something, the height or length of something in the horizontal manner, so we use the word long for it. And when we talk about the length or height of something in the vertical manner, we use the word tall for that, right? Tall can you be used only for the things while referring to vertical height, and long can be used while referring to horizontal one. Then we have the hot, hot, hotter, and hottest, right? Then we have small, smaller, and smallest, right? Now these are all we are writing, or we are making their 3 degrees, the 3 forms, by using the very simple rule, that is by adding er to the original word we get the second form, and by adding est into it we get the third form. The next we have big, big. Then we have bigger, and finally biggest, right? And the last but not the least is slow, slower, and slowest. Okay, so these were the degrees of comparisons, which are very common and basics that we use in our daily life. And again, the same thing, that we use the same formula, the same procedure for all of them. All of the words that we have learned, that which are included in our syllabus, they use the same method. Let's say if we talk about small, if we talk about long, if we talk about short, so we will be using the same thing. That is that first you will be adding just er to this original one, and it will turn into shorter. When we add er to this, it will become smaller. When we add er to this, it will become longer, right? And in order to make the third form, we will be adding est into it. So by adding est into this, it will turn into shortest. When we add est into small, it will become smallest. And when we will be adding est into long, it will become longest, right? So the same method. And one another point that I was telling you is that we talk about something is long when they are in this manner. You know, a snake is long like this, right? A snake is not long like this. And when we talk about the height of something in vertical direction, this is vertical and this is horizontal, so we call this as tall, right? The zebra is tall in this manner, the zebra is not tall in this. So this is the important difference that you have to memorize. Okay, so is there any confusion out of these comparisons? No? Okay, so you are supposed to make a list of all the objectives that we have done so far and write their forms, and let me know if you have any confusion in writing that. Yes, all of you are done. Okay, that's great. So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.